Hi, I am Franz and welcome to my channel. Where we talk about how to best create your online courses, I want to talk about a new service from Moodle called MoodleCloud. And in this video, I want to give you an overview of what it does and walk through signing up for your own MoodleCloud account. MoodleCloud is really good and it will really hit a specific target audience. The people that they're trying to target are those that aren't tech savvy, that don't want to install an LMS, a learning management system. They don't want to set up maybe a hosted Moodle installation or use a separate LMS or even build a WordPress website with an LMS plugin. MoodleCloud is perfect because you don't have to manage a server or upgrades or maintenance. It's also geared towards small schools, companies, or entrepreneurs that have maybe small courses with a small audience and low budget. The best part of MoodleCloud is that it's for free. MoodleCloud updates the software for you to the latest version, which if you know anything about Moodle, that can be a positive or maybe a negative experience, but MoodleCloud makes it easy because they do all the work for you. Moodle is automatically responsive out of the box for you, and that means that your website or your LMS automatically adapts based on the device it's on. If it's on a computer or tablet or smartphone, it will adjust, and so your learning management system or your courses will automatically adapt. That's huge because mobile usage is exploding. I mean, I've seen this with our clients and their courses. A lot of people don't even have computers or laptops. They have a smartphone, they have a tablet, or they're in the field, or so whatever your audience is. Chances are they want to be using their smartphone or a tablet, and this is perfect for that. Now, there are some potential downsides to MoodleCloud. You could only have 200 users maximum. You have 400 megabytes of disk space, so if you're thinking, I want to put some files or PDFs or videos, a good workaround and MoodleCloud allows for this is that you can host your larger files with Dropbox or Google Drive or iCloud. You can even host your videos with YouTube, and it will automatically embed once you put that YouTube URL into your course. Something else that might be a negative or a positive is it only allows core themes, and a theme in Moodle is the look, the layout, and the design general of the website, and it only allows core plugins. There are a certain amount of plugins that Moodle offers that you can install on your MoodleCloud website. Now, they do offer a way to do a video conferencing, which is really cool, through a service called Big Blue Button. You can do video conference and you can do a lot of things with this, but it is limited to 6 people and you can't record those sessions. It's perfect for a small class or a study group or even an impromptu thing where you want to teach a few of your students. Maybe they have a question, you can gather them around and have a short conference there. Now, like I said, this is a free service and they do put ads in the footer. So if you don't want ads, if that's a big deal to you, then MoodleCloud might not be the best solution for you. With the explosion of learning management systems like Moodle and some WordPress plugins that allow LMS systems and other paid or free or premium learning management systems, MoodleCloud looks like a great option. There you go. There's a quick introduction to MoodleCloud. I encourage you to take this introduction to Moodle course that's within your MoodleCloud dashboard there. It'll walk through step by step on how to create a course, modify a course, and get your course up and running so you can put students in so they can start learning. There you go, that's an overview and introduction to MoodleCloud. There are future videos coming out that will go through step by step on how to set up your MoodleCloud courses. So keep coming back to my YouTube channel, Franz, for more tips, tweaks, podcasts, and tutorials on how to create better online courses.
Whoa.